Hey guys, we made it. We have gone through check-through and we are here ready to board the ship. It has been an interesting day, and this just goes to show no matter how prepared you are, things can always happen. We ended up losing our passports and our luggage tickets in my purse somehow. Regardless, we don't have it. And we're very thankful because my daughter was able to give me an email with our birth certificates in it, and we printed that off and were able to get on the ship. So guess what? Big speed bump, but we made it over.
And everyone else for checking on us and everything, all in this community that we're a part of. Thank you. What are you doing?
Get ready to board the Carnival Glory here in New Orleans with a bunch of our friends.
Booze Cruise.
Booze Cruise.
Look at me. Go ahead. Get your jump on. Jump, Marsha. Yeah.
Are y'all on the 6th floor? Are y'all on the 6th next year?
23 inside cabin, something. I don't know. 23, 21, or 20.
Tracy and Aaron are 6.
Hey guys, we're getting ready to go meet up with everyone else on the cruise, our group, our non-group group.
Well, this is the Booze Cruise, so we're getting ready to go check out everybody, taking you with us. Bye.
Second down to 10. It's Camara stumbled a little bit on his way to the left side. He picks up yardage to the 39, just a 1-yard gain more. And Franklin covered him up and got through the wall for the Williams. And that's something you're never going to lose.
We're still waiting for luggage. I'm going to go down and check to see if
I want you to put it on.
So I want y'all to know this is my son, Daniel. The voices you heard on SCT belongs to him. This is my wife, Darlene. Hi, Darlene.
Hey, Darlene!
So we finally know who Barry Brain is.
That works. Come on.
Doing great. Cruising on the high seas and travel.
I'm all the way down. What'd you get down here?
Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Yeah. All right. So you seeing more out of him on this trip?
Right now. All right, and you were working for the crowd smoke.
Great state of Memphis.
Memphis, the great state of Memphis. All right.
I'm sure gonna try.
You're gonna try. That's what we like to hear. All right, I need you to make some noise for Sean. What you got? What you got there? 89? You're 89? Oh my goodness. All right, Annie. Now you've seen your competition so far. You've seen Marshall, you've seen Sean, you've seen Dan, you've seen Shayna. Do you have what it takes to beat that?
Yeah.
Yeah, she does. stop it. I'm out of breath. Folks, this is what we are all about here at Carnival. Doesn't matter how young you are, how old you are, we're all here to have a good... You're in the lead, Marshall. You're in the lead. Up next, is it going to be Shy? It's a tie right now. Is it going to be Dan? Tie. Shayna! We got a four-way tie right now. Or is it going to be Miss Annie? Sail away dance battle is Miss Annie! Now, Miss Annie, congratulations. You have won the very first ship on a stick of the cruise right there. That is for you. Congratulations. And Miss Annie, do you drink? No. No. What about non-alcoholic drinks? Yes. Jonathan here is going to take you to the bar and get you a cup of water on me. Okay. He's going to get you anything you want from the bar. Give it up, Annie. Give it up. All right, y'all. Did you have fun? Now, I want to let you know there's more fun to come tonight. To finish this party the way we started, I need y'all to bring it on in. Bring it on in, including Vince. Everybody bring it in. It's time for a little wobble! Hey, bring it in, everybody. All the shorties in the club, let me see you just. Bring it up, drop it down, let me see you just. Y'all ready? Push it up, let me see you just.
Sailing down the Mississippi here from New Orleans on a secret deck is where we're at right now, on deck 6. You come through, you come by the cabins. You can also do this on deck 7. Crew quarters below us in deck 5. You sit and you walk out here. As you can see, there's nobody out here. We just had sail away party. We are here with Ocean to Ocean, and Marsha's here, and we're just sailing down the Mississippi, guys. But look how beautiful this is. There's no one around, and you're sailing down the Mississippi here on Carnival Glory.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.